Pankaj on the right.
I was talking
Sanju is
about
on the left right now on the debate.
Yeah.
One second.
Please stop chiding
One
me
second.
and
For the
direct your,
BJP, do you think sometimes that you're taking things a little too easy, assuming that you're making inroads, and that parties like the Aam Aadmi Party may be doing it gradually, and you may be happy that they are not being able to convert into seats right now? But let me tell you, for example, you have swept Assam this time, where Himanta Biswa Sarma leads an interesting coalition. But it took you 15 to 20 years of this kind of vote share, 15%, 18%, 19%, to come to that situation. Do you think this sustained vote share that the AAP is gaining, though not converting to seats, might help them in the long term? Incrementally.
Arnab, let me be very clear with you. BJP is a relatively young party. In its present form, it came into existence on the 6th of April 1980. We are barely a 42-year-old party. Now, Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have been in existence for 10 long years. They contested Goa this time. They barely got 6.3% vote share and 2 seats. They contested Goa last time also, and they managed to get 6% vote share and got 0 seats. Now Kejriwal is on record saying इस बार तो बीजेपी गुजरात से बीजेपी का सफाया हो जाएगा. The exit polls show they will end up with 23 or 24% vote share. They may get 2 seats, they may get 9 seats or even 10 seats. My simple point is this: why is the media making Arvind Kejriwal into a demigod when this is the same Kejriwal who in Surat won 27 seats, but the media refuses to acknowledge he lost deposits in Rajkot, all their candidates lost deposits in Ahmedabad, all their candidates lost deposits in Bhavnagar, all their candidates lost deposits in Jambusagar, all their candidates lost deposits in Ahmedabad. There were the local body elections in Gandhinagar in last October. Out of 44 seats, BJP won 41 with a 93% strike rate. How many seats did the Aam Aadmi Party win? It got just 1 seat. That's a strike rate of 2%. The limited point I'm making is Arvind Kejriwal is a hoax. There is nothing called the Kejriwal model. The Kejriwal model manages to get
the BJP spokesperson calls Arvind Kejriwal a hoax on the program. That itself is breaking news.
Arvind Kejriwal is a hoax.
She says he's a hoax.
The Kejriwal model is a hoax.
Hoax created by BJP.
I want to ask you one
Hoax
thing,
created by BJP, he says. 1 minute. Responding right now. Listen to him. He's countering you, Pankaj. Pankaj, go ahead, counter her.
Anyone can see through that there was a tactical understanding between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP in Gujarat and in Himachal also. But in Himachal, Kejriwal realized in the beginning that he has no scope. So he packed his bags. So please don't jump to any conclusion on the basis of the exit polls of these 2 states which have only 30 Lok Sabha seats.
As per exit polls, and you are sitting here and giving me a lecture on BJP's prospects. Your Priyanka Gandhi.
No, we are sitting here to listen to your lecture, to hear your lecture.
Himachal. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu." You got just 2 seats in Uttar Pradesh. You said we will win Manipur. You were reduced to 5
Aam
seats in
Aadmi Party
Manipur.
is BJP's B team.
32 seats in Manipur.
It is still BJP's B
Last year
team.
you said we will
And
win
there was a
Assam.
clear-cut
We won
tactical
Assam
understanding
twice
between
in a row.
BJP and Aam
We won
Aadmi
Uttar
Party.
Pradesh
Okay, opening this
twice
up.
in a row.
Opening this up, Sameer.